Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today's video is gonna be about saving your failed perm rods, because God knows we've all had those days. Yes, and I'm gonna show you how I saved mine, or even made it look presentable. So for this tutorial, I'll be styling on co-washed hair using the Cream of Nature coconut milk line. So I'll be using the foaming Quench, I believe that's what the name is, and the curl rapid leave-in, and some butterfly and some butterfly clips. So what I first started doing is a section of the hair, and I'll be starting from the back, and I'll just be adding the foaming mousse. And make sure your hair is detangled, that is key to this style. And I'll be using my paddle brush as well for this. So I'm going to be starting from the roots and just twirling my hair around the rod itself until I get to the bottom. As so. And just to make sure that you just twist it, just make sure it's taut, and make sure that the elastic goes underneath the hair, and just shake it, you know, shake it like a Polaroid picture. It ain't going anywhere. Huh? Are you gonna shake it? Shake it, girl. Yes, shake it. It ain't moving. No, it's not. Anyways, let's get back to the second one. Okay, I'm just gonna do the same thing all over again. Apparently not. So here you can see from the front section, I'm just detangling my hair, adding the foaming mousse and the leave-in, and just making sure the hair is really thoroughly detangled so it slips out easily. And then find like a smaller perm rod, and then I'm just gonna be going from the back, just curling it away from your face. Now I tried to redo it, and then it didn't, well, it failed basically, so I had to redo it all over again. So just make sure that your hair is actually tight, but not tight enough that it will give you a headache. And as you can see by my fingers, I am twisting it. I'm twisting my hair itself, but then twisting it around the perm rod as well. Look at that motion. Yes, and then just make sure that your hair, the ends, are just wrapped around the perm rod smoothly, so none of it just goes anywhere, and it reduces frizz as well. Okay.
I go to my house, text chicks next to me, make her see the blouse. Remove it. You are good. You won't do it. You are rude.
But no, medium heat but high. I'm just showing you like a flip second where I thought, yes, it's dry. Then I got a call saying that I had to hurry up, so that's me taking it all out. The ends are super defined, but the roots are not, and this is where it all goes a bit left. I wasn't really happy. I was talking, so what I did was I added a bit of oil, because at this point I had to rush out my house, and I thought, okay, let's see what I can do with this. You know, it was the argan oil from Cream of Nature's 7 essential oils. I did not show in this video, but my Afro-Creme, my trusty Afro-Creme, I started picking it at the root, and this is what I figured out. Like, oh my gosh, my hair is still wet, so what can I do? It's giving me volume though. It's giving me my hair, is giving me the gist, is giving me the life that I need, but just not the curls that I need. So I just kept picking it. So that was it. Thank you for watching, guys. So like, comment, subscribe, share, all that goodness, and I'll catch you in my next one.